From a single room with just a dream to a growing business built on determination, sacrifice, and faith. Here's Yannick Williams with this week's edition of the Business Review.
The sound of progress for Tashika Vanzi now echoes through these walls, and she stands proudly behind it all, knowing every inch of this journey was earned through struggle. But years ago, this picture looked different. There were no large machines, no shelves lined with products. Inside a cramped one-bedroom space, she printed shirts, customized mugs by hand, packaged orders on her bed, and often worked until morning while the rest of the community slept. Just a woman, a dream, and a tiny one-bedroom structure. When COVID-19 hit and options became limited, she discovered her passion with the help of YouTube, turning uncertainty into purpose and purpose into a growing business.
One day I was sitting down and I said, what can I do? First, I started out with phone case, clueless to printing a phone case. YouTube was my best friend. And then after that, phone case never worked out. So I said, all right, then I asked a friend of mine overseas if he can buy me a printer. He said, what you wanted a printer to do? And I said, I'm going to start a printing business. He said to me that, a printing business, you know what to do? I said, I have no idea, I have no clue, but COVID hit right now, locked in, no job, no funds, and I'm at my lowest.
What started with a single printer inside a struggling household began transforming into something much bigger. The moments she had to choose between investing in herself or simply surviving. Still, she pressed on.
After that, now I started get more machines and more machines was in the back of my yard. Sun and shine. You have to outside in the hot sun, rain come down, me have to pack up machine, go inside back, and one day I said, you know, I want to go further in this because I like it.
Today, she now operates from her own shop on the hip strip of Olympic Gardens called T&N Customs, a space built from years of persistence and patience. Now, there are larger machines, expanding services, custom printing, branding, event items, family members by her side, and a growing list of loyal customers who say her work speaks for itself.
In the next 5 years, I want to market like more corporate company. I want to be able to build some big signs. I want to be able to wrap vehicles. I want to even can tutor students in the next 5 years. I don't know how I reached this far, but I know that's the grace of God, the mercy of God, and the faith and the belief. I failed a couple times, yeah, but brush off that. I've cried. Now body feeling pan, breakdown. I'm saying, no, I'm not stop because I like it.
For this entrepreneur, success is not measured only by profits or popularity. It is measured in survival and in growth, in proving to herself that she was capable of building something meaningful. And as the machines continue to run, so does the vision she once carried quietly inside that tiny one-bedroom structure years ago. A vision that today stands tall in brick, paint, determination, and purpose. With your Business Review, I'm Yannick Williams.